Welcome to the Foo Lab. Today we will be teaching you how to split cells. Splitting cells requires a number of materials. Before proceeding, you will need cells to split, Dolbeco's modified Eagles medium, also known as DMEM, phosphate buffered saline, also known as PBS or DPBS, trypsin EDTA solution, and a tissue culture plate. Caution: cell splitting procedures are different for different cell lines. Your cell line may require adjustments to this procedure. Although the principles are the same, consult your instructor, PI, or colleagues before splitting your cells yourself. Here we have DMEM, trypsin EDTA, and DPBS. And these are the HeLa cells we will be splitting today. Begin by removing your cells from the incubator. After placing your cells in the hood, use a new suction tip to suction your media off the plate. When suctioning anything off the plate, make sure to tilt the plate to the side to allow the solution to pool. Now, proceed to wash the cells by pipetting 5 milliliters of DPBS onto the plate. Make sure to add the DPBS to the side of the plate. Also, tilt the plate a few times after adding the DPBS solution. Using a new suction tip, suction the DPBS from the plate. Using a new pipette tip, add 1 ml trypsin EDTA to your cells. Try to add the trypsin EDTA to the center of the plate. As you can see, I accidentally pipetted a bubble onto the plate. Try to avoid pipetting bubbles as much as you can. Tilt the plate a few times to make sure that the trypsin EDTA covers the whole plate. Now place your cells in the incubator. While incubating your cells, add 9 milliliters of DMEM to the new plate. Slightly tilt the plate to make sure the DMEM covers the whole plate. After the incubation period, remove your cells from the incubator. With your cells out of the incubator, tilt the plate to make sure the cells are now sliding around the plate, which would be an indicator that the cells are no longer adherent to the plate. Using a new pipette tip, add 9 milliliters of DMEM to your cells. Make sure to tilt the plate before adding the DMEM to allow the cells to fall into the DMEM solution. Using the same pipette tip, gently pipette the cells up and down to homogeneously mix the cells in the DMEM. Try to avoid pipetting up and down quickly, as pipetting up and down rapidly can damage your cells. Also, while keeping your plate tilted, pipette DMEM to the top of the plate to wash off the last remaining cells that are adhering to the plate surface into the DMEM solution below. Now, after thoroughly mixing your cells, pipette 1 milliliter of the mixture into the second plate. By pipetting 1 milliliter of cells into 9 milliliters of DMEM, I'm effectively conducting a 1:10 dilution of my HeLa cells. You can also conduct a 1:5, 1:4, or any other ratio of dilution of your cells, depending on if you want your cells to proliferate slower or faster. Keep in mind, if you want to change the dilution ratio, you must change the amount of cells pipetted into the second plate, as well as change the amount of DMEM added to the second plate, such that there will be a sum of 10 milliliters of solution in the second plate. Make sure to pipette the cells to the side of the plate fairly gently. Now gently mix your plate before putting your cells back into the incubator. And there you have it. That's how you split cells. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, check out more of our tutorials on our channel, and give us suggestions on tutorials you would want to see in the comment section below. And special thanks to Yan Li and Dr. Fu for helping me out with this video.